The yearly rate of depreciation of the price of a car is given by this, where A is the original price of the car in RM and T is the number of years after being bought. Given that the original price of a car is 48,000, we want to find the price of the car after 7 years. Okay, the first step, I'm going to bring this 48,000 into this equation. A is equal to 48,000 or 1,000 times 20 minus T. Okay, so this is equal to 48 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000. This is 48 times 20 minus T. Okay, so this is 960 minus 48T. Okay, so this is a rate of depreciation for that particular car, which price 48,000. So now, we want to find the price of that car after 7 years. So first, we need to know after 7 years, what is the total amount of the price of the car reduced. You get what I mean? Let's say for first year, the price reduced 1,000, and second after 1 years, the price dropped 1,000, reduced 1,000. After the second years, another 2,000. So after 2 years, the price of the car reduced 3,000. You get what I mean? Now, how do we get the total amount? Before I show you how to solve this one, now, try to think about this. Let's say you have a graph like this. Speed against time. Meter per second. And this is time. Second. And you have a graph like this. Let's say this is 5, this is 10. If I ask you, what is the total distance travel for the first 5 seconds? How do you find total distance travel? You find the area under the graph, right? You learned this in modern math. Now, same thing apply here. Same concept apply here. So this is a graph. 960 minus 48t. So if I want you to find the total amount reduced, how do we get the total amount reduced? We find the area under the graph, right? So how do we find the area under the graph? If you draw graph this graph, so we just use integration. We just use integration. Let me show you how to do it. From 0 to 7. Why? Because 7 years, right? We are trying to find the area for this part. 960 minus 48t with respect to t. Okay, so we just do integration. 960t minus 48t squared over 2. And this is upper limit, this is a lower limit. 960t minus 24t squared. Okay, the next step is to bring in the upper limit and lower limit. 960 times 7 minus 24 times t, which is 7 squared. Upper limit minus. So if you bring the lower limit inside here, all you will get 0, right? Because 960 times 0, you get 0. Minus 24 times 0 square, you also get 0. So here you will get 0. So what do we need to do? Just press your calculator for this part. 960 times 7 minus 24 times 7 square, which is equal to 5544. This is the total amount reduced. Now, so now we can find the price of the car after 7 years. Let me erase this one first. Or make it smaller. After 7 years, so this is original price, right? You take 48,000 minus that one, 5544. 48,000 minus 5544. Okay, so the answer is 42,456 ringgit. Now let's go to part B. If the original price of the car is this, 88,500, means that the A is equal to this. We want to find the percentage of depreciations of the car after 5 years. So first we need to find the total amount reduced first. And then divided by this times 100%. Then you will be able to get the percentage of depreciations. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this 88,500 into this equation. When A is equal to 88500, 88500. The rest you just copy, and this is 20 minus T. Okay. This is 88.5 times 20 minus T. You can expand it. 88.5 times 20. You will be able to get 1770. And here you will get 88.5 T. Okay. Now, we want to find the total price reduced. So how do we find the total amount? Same thing at what we did just now. 0 until 5, because this is after 5 years. 1770 minus 88.5 T. And this is the T. Okay, just do the integration. 1770 T minus 88.5 T squared divided by 2. So make sure you understand the process of integration. If you see a constant, we add a variable for it. If you see this T, so the power will add 1. And whatever you write for the power, you write for the denominator as well. Okay, so just bring in the upper limit first. 1770 times 5 minus 88.5 times 5 squared over 2. And then if you bring in this lower limit, here you get 0, here you get 0. So here I'm going to write 0. Okay, what you need to do, just press calculator for this part. 1770 times 5, then minus 88.5 divided by 2 times 5 squared, which is 25. Okay, you will get 7743.75. This is total amount reduced. But this is not our final answer yet, because the question is asking about the percentage of depreciation. Okay, so the total amount reduced is this one. So this is the original price. We want to know how many percent. So I'm going to times 100. Just press your calculator. 7743.75 divided by 88500 times 100. And you will get 8.75%. This is the way how we solve these questions.